an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj, Class 5, Subject Value Education, Topic Unity is Strength. Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to another class of Value Education. My dear children, the topic for today is Unity is Strength. Always remember, children, where there is unity, there is victory. And with hard work and teamwork and collaboration, we can do wonderful things. Union is strength is the famous phrase that represents the power or strength of unity. Feeling of having unity with others make a person so powerful and confident that no person or no situation can defeat or harm. People have realized this fact and also teach their children to be united by telling different stories based on this fact. We have also heard many stories in our childhood which were based on the power of union. Story of a farmer who has 4 sons and they were unable to break the bundle of sticks, and story of birds that were trapped in a net by fowler, and by being united they get success in flying together along with the net are the true examples of this phrase, unity is strength. Our country India is the live example of unity. Here, many different communities, different castes, different religions are available but have unity among all in a common thought of being Indian. We all would have learned about our freedom struggle story from elders and teachers. The main teaching that underlies our freedom struggle is unity. Our freedom fighters were united and they brought in more and more fighters by showing the strength of unity. They proved that unity can bring success, and that's how we got our independence on August 15, 1947. Children, a unified approach always leads to success. We cannot complete many tasks without unity. Unity is important. Only when we are united, we get multiple ideas and support from various people to get success. It is the teamwork of the players which help them to win matches and bring pride to their country. Our army stands together to fight with our enemies and safeguard our country. We Indians are so strong because of our unity. We know that unity is strength and staying united is a pride. We are a great example for unity in diversity. Unity of a country is very much essential for its socio-economic development. Unity is very much important to make us integrated and bonded. Unified steps taken for anything will always lead to great change. Let us unite together, forgetting our rivalry, and work towards the development of our society and country. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.